Welcome to the High Voltage Light Electric Vehicle channel. It's been a long time since I've got to ride this bike. It needed a rebuild, so that's what I've been doing. I've been getting the HV kit on there. I've taken lots of videos of that process, so once I've edited those you'll get to see the full kit install. Right now I'm just going to go for a bit of shakedown testing with the drivetrain. I've actually gone back to the 40T, shockingly, despite what I said about the 42, and I'm going to see how that works with the chain tensioner. But it's set up 72 volts. I haven't done anything with the egg ride or anything like that yet because I want to go through the setup of that as well. So this is just with the stuff that Greg put on the back. So yeah, we're going to give it a good shakedown and probably not run full power or anything today, but give it a quick go and you guys can see how it's doing. But yeah, super excited because I love this bike. So nothing super crazy for today. I'm going to go over the drivetrain, make sure I'm happy with everything. There's a few other bits to tidy up, and then I'm going to go through all the settings and get the egg rider set up because it's not running optimally without that. So that was just on level 5 and 9, so that's about 2,500 watts I think it was putting through. It was topping out at about sort of 55 amps and it'll do up to 90 phase. So yeah, really happy. Super fun riding this bike. If you're wondering about the noise, I am running studded tires because this is my winter bike. So when we get the ice and stuff around, I can still ride this one. So yeah, really happy to get back on this. It's been a long time coming. I love its new look. I never liked the white frame, so having this all done in black and doing all the spray paint and everything, it's been a real fun experience. So yeah, I'll get the install video done and get all that tidied up, and then we're going to go on some much longer adventures with this thing. Anyway, thanks for watching the channel, and a huge thanks to the channel members that make all the difference here. See you in the next video. Cheers.